Do you all know that we all humans, in the rush of running every day, we have forgotten to relax. We have forgotten that how to be quiet at times. Stress and anxiety has become part of our lives. We have embraced them in such a way that we aren't wanting to leave them anymore. So welcome back to Vatsalya Legacy online tutorials. Today we are going to talk on 6 steps to relieve anxiety and stress from our minds and from our body. So psychologically it is said that when you relax for some time, you need to relax in a way that your entire body believes that you're relaxing. Sometimes when we sleep or when we lie down, we are usually with our phones or with the newspaper, or we are just talking to somebody, moving our hands and moving our body, our legs. That is not relaxing. You know, the way our battery gets used to a level that we have to charge it again to use our phone, on our laptops or our gadgets. Similarly, we humans need to recharge ourselves every day, and that recharging is called as relaxation. So there are 6 ways to relax. The first way is to deep breathe, breathing right from your belly and releasing it through your mouth. So deep breathing makes you believe that you're alive, makes you realize that breathing is a certain process, that you should be doing it consciously. The second important thing when we talk about relaxation is yoga. So there are various poses and various forms of yoga that helps you to relax, that helps you to be calm. It relieves anxiety. The third way is to listening to soothing music, not the music that beats with the heartbeats in your body. The music that soothes your mind, that calms you down. So music is one thing that helps you to relieve anxiety. The fourth thing is that you have to, you know how we sleep? When we sleep, our eyes roll up and our body believes that we are about to sleep and it now needs to relax. You need to even do this, or you can do this at a particular time in a day for say about 3 to 4 minutes. So the way to do this is just roll up your eyes and close your eyes. So when you sleep, our eyes rolls up, and that is where the body believes that you're about to sleep. So consciously, to feel yourself relaxed, you need to roll up your eyes, close your eyes and put your chin down and just sit for some time. That gives you an immense feeling of relaxation. The last most important point is nothingness. Just lie down under the sky, on your grass, on your bed, on the floor, in the room. Just lie down, thinking nothing, doing nothing. Getting bored is being relaxed, is the new relaxation. Just get bored. You don't have to do something or the other every time. Your body needs to believe that it's time to relax, it's time to stay calm. With these things, these 6 things that I have mentioned, you will be able to feel a little more calmer. The anxiety will be relieved from your body. And do let us know when you practice this, what was your feeling. So stay calm, stay connected and subscribe our channel. Thank you so much.